Hello, Lord Victorino here, and since I have Memorial Day off and a couple days after that, I decided to take some time and to do some testing out of Dexter. I wanted to show you what I have set up right now. It is the whole insides of a Space Ace wiring harness. I'm going to use a switching power supply that I have converted over to where it will run on the hardware of the original Space Ace. I'm actually using a Dragon's Lair Revision C Logics. I'm also going to be using Sean Wood's multi-ROM card also in this. Makes it easier to test, and that way I can test all the Space Ace ROM variations as well as Dragon's Lair if I want to. And I'm also going to be using the actuator board as well. And there's the scoreboard. And what I'll be also using for this test is my little controller that I created for Space Ace. It has the Start 1, Start 2 joystick, has the specially made Energize button for the wrist button, as well as the level select buttons and all that. So that's what I have hooked up to this thing. I'll be, of course, using Dexter, as you can see right there. There's the Dexter board. And for right now, I am using my PC. This is my laptop that I will be using also. But what's interesting about this test is I'm not going to be testing the LDP 1000 mode as before. I'm going to be testing the Sony 1450 mode. How do I do that? Well, I'll tell you. I had bought this a long time ago. It's a high-tech card, which was created to run Dragon's Lair and Space Ace. But instead of using a Pioneer type player, you could use a Sony player instead. 1450, 1550, etc. So I still have my high-tech card. Unfortunately, my Sony 1550 stopped working a long time ago, but I still have my high-tech card. So what I'm going to do is basically run this logic, okay, connected to, believe it or not, the high-tech card, and then it hooked to the Dexter board, which will be hooked to my PC, and it'll be running in Sony 1450 Laserdisc player mode to test the 1450 Laserdisc player emulation on the Dexter board, which should be fascinating to say the least. It is hooked up to my TV that is over there. You can see a nice big screen TV. So that's what I'll be running it on. And of course I'll be using my controller. Well, I just wanted to show you the setup. Hopefully I'll get to testing this out and seeing if there's any issues or problems with it. And once I start getting started, and I'll start doing videos and stuff of it. And so it should be interesting. Well, that's all I have for now. You take care. Bye-bye.